Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beautiful Resin. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will bring for you beautiful resin ideas about resin keychain, resin jewelry, resin mobile cover, etc. Today I am making my shoes with the help of epoxy resin. I want to change this shoes color in red and golden combination. This is my old shoe, so I want to give it a beautiful look, a new look, with the help of new color, red and golden, red glitter and golden legs. I have made it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.